Creating an effective strength training plan begins with a clear understanding of your goals. Whether you aim to build muscle, enhance endurance, or improve overall fitness, this foundational step will dictate your exercise selection, training volume, and frequency. Visualize yourself achieving these aspirations. Perhaps it's lifting heavier weights or completing more repetitions than ever before. Whatever it is, having a target in mind will help frame your efforts and sustain motivation as you progress. Next, consider your current fitness level and experience with strength training. If you are a beginner, it's crucial to establish a solid foundation with fundamental movements. Picture yourself mastering exercises like squats, deadlifts, and bench presses, which engage multiple muscle groups and lay the groundwork for more advanced techniques. As an intermediate or advanced lifter, assess which muscle imbalances you need to address and adjust your program accordingly. This might involve adding variation and intensity to challenge your body. Design a weekly training routine that focuses on compound exercises and incorporates various muscle groups. Aim for at least 3 to 5 sessions per week, giving yourself the flexibility to alternate between upper and lower body workouts. Imagine each session as a series of milestones, starting with a warm-up to prepare your muscles and joints, followed by your main workout segment. Each exercise should have a designated number of sets and reps, pushing you to a point of challenge but not compromise on form. Visualizing this structure will allow for systematic progression, making your training purposeful. Another integral component is recovery. Just as crucial as the workouts themselves, recovery allows muscles to rebuild and grow stronger. Picture yourself embracing rest days, incorporating activities such as yoga or light cardio to promote blood flow and alleviate soreness. Adequate sleep and nutrition play vital roles in recovery too. Formulating meal plans that include protein-rich foods will support muscle repair and growth, enriching your training outcomes. Each time you nourish your body, you are fueling future successes. Lastly, be prepared to adjust your plan as your body adapts to the training stimuli. Monitor your progress and don't hesitate to tweak your routine to keep it fresh and effective. Picture yourself evaluating your lifts and striving for that next personal record. Celebrate small victories along the way, reminding yourself that strength training is a journey. With diligence and adaptability, your strength training plan will not only sculpt your physique but also empower you in countless ways. Creating a strength training plan is an empowering journey that begins with the understanding of your personal goals. Whether your aim is to build muscle, enhance endurance, or increase functional strength, clarity in your objectives will guide the entire process. Start by defining these goals, considering factors such as your current fitness level, the time you can dedicate each week, and any specific areas you wish to focus on, like upper body, lower body, or core strength. Next, structure your plan around a balanced routine. A well-rounded strength training program typically includes exercises targeting all major muscle groups. Divide your workouts into categories. For example, split your week to allow the upper body on one day and lower body on another. Incorporate compound movements like squats, deadlifts, and bench presses, which engage multiple muscle groups, maximizing efficiency and effectiveness. Alternate between heavy lifting days focused on strength and lighter days concentrating on endurance. To promote recovery and growth, progressive overload is the key principle of strength training. This means gradually increasing the weight, the number of repetitions, or the intensity of the exercises as your body adapts. Keep a log of your workouts to track this progress, ensuring you challenge yourself consistently. Furthermore, be mindful of recovery. Allow at least 48 hours before working the same muscle group again, incorporating rest days as necessary to avoid burnout. And injury nutrition plays a crucial role as well. Fuel your body with adequate protein and carbohydrates to support muscle repair and growth. Prioritize hydration, as water is essential for optimal performance and recovery. Lastly, listen to your body. Adjust your plan based on how you feel and respond to the workouts. Some days may call for more rest or modifying the intensity, and that is perfectly fine. In summary, developing a strength training plan requires thoughtful consideration of your goals, a balanced workout structure, and the principle of progressive overload, all while staying attuned to your body's needs. Remember, consistency is vital for success, coupled with patience as strength gains come over time. With each session, visualize not only the strength you'll build, but the resilience you'll develop. making your fitness journey not just about physical change, but about personal empowerment. Take the first step today and watch how commitment transforms your strength training endeavors into lasting results.